sometimes process is like, it can be the missing piece of the equation that you're like, look, we've got this many people and we need to produce this result and we need to charge this amount of money and make this sort of profit. Process can be like the variable that you don't even know. It's like, how are we going to get this done? Yeah. And then once you figure it out and you do it over and over, you start to get efficient and you're like, well, I guess this is how we do it. And this produces the best outcome. Now you have a process. Now you write that down, because process is about scaling. It's not, you don't start with process. You eventually refine your process because that's how you scale.